If you want to add updates to your Google Business profile, either you want to share a blog post or you want to add an image or something like that, then you're going to go to business.google.com. And if you have one business profile, it should automatically take you to that. But I've got a few. So I'm going to click right here on where it says Google and go into the profile that you want to modify. So I'm going to go into the one for Pongos Interactive. You can just click on the name and that's going to show your Google Business profile. You can also get here by going to the map and it'll say you manage this business profile and give you a ability to edit it. But you'll see here on the profile, you've got edit profile, read reviews, etc. And you'll see a button here that says add update. So if you click on that, you can add updates where you can add an image, you can add a button, you can add a description. So this would be if you were sharing a blog post, you might add it here. You could put the featured image for the blog post here, say this is our latest blog post, whatever you want it to say. And then for the button, you could set it to learn more and then add the link to your button. Or if you wanted to have it so that it goes to your booking form or anything like that, you can do that. Now, the other types of updates that you can add, let me discard that, are going to be offers. So this would be if you wanted to add like a sale or something like that. And the nice thing with these is that you do get start dates and end dates, and you can also add some more details about the offer. So if you wanted to say, mention the code when you come into the store, you would do that. Discard that. And you can also add an event. So if you're having like a grand opening or you're hosting an event at your location, you can add that information here. You can add the title, start date, end date, and the event details. And you can also add a button to get people to book or learn more, sign up, whatever you want there. Notice that if you do call now, it'll put your phone number in there automatically. You can use these different links to do what you want for the button. So when you're done, whatever it is, you can preview it. There's no title in there, so it won't do that. But when you're done with it, you're just going to post it, and then the information is going to show up in your Google Business profile. After I stopped recording there for just a minute, I thought it might be good to show you what these updates look like. So I went ahead and added one to my Pongos Interactive profile, and you can see that I get this message that says update posted. It will review it, or they'll review it. So I'm going to just click on done, and we can see here is my update. I need some help with your SEO. We now have an affordable keyword research package. And when I click learn more, that takes users to the keyword research package on the Pongo site. And these also show up in the profile. So you don't just look at the updates here, but they'll show up in the profile over here on the right side. Let me refresh this so you can see it. And there it is right there. So you can see the profile. Need some help with your SEO. It's going to look better if you have an image there. So if you are able, you want to add that image. And you also have the add update button here as well. And so, yeah, you can add your updates, and it just helps to add the information that you are sharing on your blog or elsewhere. It allows you to add that to your Google Business profile so that people that are finding you that way can also see the information.